Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my T-shot. So some of you guys might be asking, what is a T-shot? If you are not familiar with trans people, I guess. A T-shot is basically we call it a T-shot because we don't want to say testosterone every single time we want to talk about it. So it is just a testosterone shot that you take weekly or bi-weekly or whatever your doctor says to. It's just like a regular prescription. Some people who want to transition from female to male will take testosterone, some won't. Some people just don't see a need for it, and that's totally okay. And I am one of those people who need to and feel like they need to. So yeah, I have been on testosterone for almost a year now, 11 months on May 1st. I will be coming out with a video showing like my voice from pre-T to now. That will be after June 1st, which is soon. Just a disclaimer, the way that I do my T-shot is not the right or wrong way. It is the way, or I guess it's not the 100% right way to do it. Every doctor has a different way of doing things and a different way that they like things done. So this is the way that my doctor specifically told me to do it. So don't take this as any medical advice. Just take this as like a general idea on how to do it. And always consult with your doctor the specific way that they want your shot to be done. And if you see me doing anything differently the way that you do it, or you know someone who does it and I'm doing it differently, don't take it as you're doing it wrong. You're probably not doing it wrong, but always just consult with your doctor. So I have a box here, and it has my syringes in it and also the injection needle tip that I use. So I have the 2 alcohol swabs, band-aids, the needles I use to draw the testosterone, the actual testosterone, the syringe. And then I also have this needle as well that I use the needle tip from, but I don't use the syringe. So right here is everything that I use for my shot. We have a band-aid here for after. We have these 3 needles and syringes here. This one is used to draw up the medication. With this tip, we just take this tip off and discard it. I don't use it. We discard this syringe. I don't use it. And then we take this needle after everything is drawn up, and I inject with that one. These 2 alcohol swabs are used. One is used to wipe the top of the testosterone vial before I inject, just to make sure it's clean. And this one is used to make sure that my skin is all clean before we inject. And here's the testosterone, and this paper towel is used to just wipe up any blood after the injection. Alright, here we are. So I forgot to say before, but the syringe that I use with the tip is a 25 gauge. So we have the syringe here. You also need a sharps container. This is mine. It's huge. So we have this one here. I'm actually gonna clean off the bottle first with the first alcohol swab, and I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we take this off, discard of that one, don't need it, into the sharps container. This is the scary one. It's the 18 gauge needle tip. Put it here. Here it is. Stick that in there. this bottle is relatively low, so it's difficult to get the testosterone in there without there getting bubbles. So we'll just let the bubble rise to the top and push that back to get 0.4. I get 0.4 every week. So I got that. Take that out. Put the top back on. I can discard that now. Then we have this syringe, remove this, discarded it. This is the one that I inject with. There we go. And we're all ready. You can throw out that. And I will reposition the camera so you can see. So here's my wonderful leg. This is where I inject all in here. Here's my tiny band-aid. I get it ready. So here's the alcohol swab. Gotta make sure that your leg's all like ready to go. So I got this. Here's the needle. And I pinch here. Go right in. You want to pull back. Make sure there's no blood. There's not. Let me let go. Well, I have to count to 30 seconds just to make sure that everything is fully in there. It doesn't leak out. So 1, 2, 3, 28, 29, 30. We put that guy back up, and we discarded it in the syringe thing. And throw everything else in the garbage. So yeah, that is how I do my testosterone shot. All I have to do now is just hold this on you for a couple seconds, the paper towel, and then I put the band-aid on where I injected. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Yeah, I'm really excited that I'm back, and thank you for all the support on the Calvin Guerra video that I uploaded. It took a lot out of me to upload that, so thank you guys. Have a good day.